Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today in this video I will tell the origins of all the grass starters. And my previous video got a lot of hate, so I'm really sorry for that. Now I will approach in a different manner. So just leave it. Now let's start the video. So first we have the Kinto grass starters, the Bulbasaur line, Bulbasaur, Ivysaur and Venusaur. If we add a toad and a bulb, then we will get the Bulbasaur line. I'm not telling frog because frog doesn't contain poison. Toad contain poison, and the Bulbasaur line has the poison type. So basically, Bulbasaur line is based on toads and plant bulbs. Also can be dinosaurs because at the last of them we got Venusaur, Bulbasaur, Ivysaur. So they could be dinosaur. I'm not sure about that. If you know, then comment down. Number two, we have the Chikorita line or the Johto grass starter, Chikorita, Bayleaf, and Meganium. So Chikorita and bay leaf are basically based on the pear. So as you can see the leaf, the bay leaf has that same leaf, or we can also say we can say that Meganium is based on sauropods, the long necked dinosaurs, and it has that that flower around his neck, as we have seen that Chikorita that leaves. So it must be flower. I think so. If I am wrong, then tell the right thing in the comment section. So they are basically based on dinosaur and pear. So then we have the Hoenn grass starter line, Trico, Grovyle, and Septile. So Trico is basically based on geckos, as you can know that it's a wood gecko Pokemon, and its Pokédex entry it is written a wood gecko Pokemon, and as you know it has that Trico, and it must be a gecko, and his Pokédex entry says it has some sticky thing that helps him to walk vertically on a wall or anything. And which type of animals do that? Geckos. So that's why Trico is based on gecko. Then Grovyle and Septile. They are basically based on velociraptors. As you know, velociraptors have wings or feathers on their arms, not wings, feathers on their arms, and they got feathers on their tail also. Same goes for Grovyle and Septile. Grovyle has leaf blades on both of his arms, hands, I don't know. And same goes for Septile. In place of feathers on their tail, they have leaves, a lot of leaves, and Septile has a tree on his tail, a whole tree. So that's why. So then we got the Sinnoh starter line, the Turtwig, Grotel, and Torterra. So Turtwig and Crowtail are basically based on tortoise. As you can see there in the Pokédex entry, they say that the cell is made of the soil, and same goes for tortoise. The cell is not made from soil, but they got a cell, and Turtwig also has a cell on his back. Same goes for Crowtail. Now we have Torterra. So you all must have heard the mythological myth or myth, we can say that a turtle, earth is over a turtle. So Torterra is also based on that. In the Pokédex entry, we have seen that many people or many Pokemon are born on Torterra's back. Torterra's back has we can say the whole ecosystem is on Torterra's back. So that's why Torterra is based on a turtle that holds the earth. Then we have the Gen 5 grass starters, the Snivy, Servine, and Serperior. So for the Snivy and Servine, I'm not so guaranteed. I think they are plants because in the Pokédex entry they say it bats its tail in the sun to move swift. So it might be a reptile holding a leaf in its tail. So I'm not sure about them. If you know, then comment down in the comment section. Serpier is actually a snake Pokemon, but it learns many dragon type moves. So I think it can be a snake dragon, and it can be a king because we have Serperior, or we can say superior. So it might be he is a very elegant, graceful Pokemon. So Serperior can also be a cobra. Yeah, that's impossible. But listen, it can be a cobra because it is Pokedex entry. It is written that it stop his enemy by just a glance by raising his head. What animals do that? Cobra. Cobra raise their head to scare his enemy or his prey. Prey or foe, I don't know. And glare, yes. And a cobra splits poison from his eyes, I think so. I don't remember, but if you see a cobra, you will be stopped right there with his glance. So that's why. So then we have the callus starter or the grass starters, chespin, collardine, and chestnut. All of them are based on spiny nuts, as we can see that in his Pokédex entry it is written the spiny nut Pokemon and chestnut signature move Spiky Shield. So it states that they are all based on spiky nuts and some moles. I think moles because of their nose. So if I'm wrong, comment the right thing in the comment section. So then we have the Alola, Grass Starter, Zowlet, Dartrix, Decidueye. So basically, all of them are based on owls, and they have given the ghost type. They had the ghost type because if you have seen horror movies, then every horror movie has an owl in there. So I don't know for what. So owls are known as ghost, or we can say. So that's why Decidueye and has the ghost type. At last, we have the Gallus starters, grass starters, Grookey, Thwacky, and Rillaboom. Thwacky and Grookey are monkey, but Rillaboom is a gorilla. And they had a drum because we had seen many toys have a monkey playing a drum. So that's why they added drum with Rillaboom, Grookey, and Thwacky. So that's it for today video. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. For now, bye bye. Peace out.